Welcome to Think a Bit. Now today we're going to be talking about RAMPDEFI. Now this coin is going crazy. Everybody's talking about it. Everybody's saying it's going to explode, and I believe them. This coin has so much potential, and a lot of its features are going to start going live. They're going to start coming online. But I think the price is just going to rise. I mean, right now it's ranked 301 on Coin Market Cap. It's going to push up there. It's going to be, I see it being a top 100 coin. What is this? Oh, who's selling that? All right. I'm trying to get graphics cards, but I'm not going to click on that right now. All right. Wow, that made me lose my train of thought, but we're going to keep on going. Now, let's take a look at their website. Where is their website? Oh, here it is, RAMPDEFI. Now, I'm not really feeling this website. Now, they have no video on here explaining what it is or what it does. I mean, how hard is it to make a video telling me what the project is and what it does? They have all this stuff they want me to read on here. So that's really turning me off a little bit. Like, how lazy are you? You can't make a video? You want people to read all this? And this is a kind of crappy map. Look at this. You call this a map? It's not a very good map. I mean, I don't even see no compass or nothing on there. But let's go to their Twitter. Maybe they put their video on their Twitter. So let's see. Let's go to RAMPDEFI's Twitter. RAMPDEFI. Wow, amazing. No video here either. So that's kind of crappy, but you guys are in luck because I have my Asian cousin here and he's going to tell you all about RAMPDEFI and what it does. Go ahead, Hachu. Tell the people.
DeFi. The reason why I like this project so much is because they have a simple yet widely needed use case. To summarize in one sentence, RAMPDEFI allows you to unlock liquidity from staked assets on many different blockchain networks and put them into DeFi for extra yield. This simple offering has allowed them to integrate with many major proof-of-stake coins, and I've compiled a whole list.
No, we don't need that list. No. Shut up. He's always trying to do extra stuff. He's mad because I scored higher on my SATs and I'm the one that got into Harvard. And ever since then, he's always trying to prove to me like he's smarter than me or something. But if you're smarter, how come I got higher on my SATs and I went to Harvard? All right, that's enough. Get out of here. I mean, always trying to prove how smart he is. I hate people like that. I just hate it, you know? So, in conclusion... I got one more thing to show you guys. I forgot. Like, where do you want to buy it at? Where can you buy it at? You can buy it at PancakeSwap, and also you can go to the pool section and you could stake some cake and you can earn some ramp. So that's what I'm doing. So now I got some pancake and I got some ramp. So I just staked some cake and I'm earning some ramp. That's what I'm doing. So I think that's a win-win because I really like PancakeSwap, even though they screwed me one time. But I'm really high on PancakeSwap and I'm earning ramp and I'm high on this project. So I really suggest you guys go to pools and get some PancakeSwap, stake some pancakes, get some ramp. Win-win. Now, that's all I have for you today. Are you guys liking ramp? And another thing, you know, I had a dog named Amp. So, that's a sign, right? I had a dog named Amp. Now, this project is ramp. You take away the R, and what does that spell? I'm not trying to be super smart here, but it spells amp. And remember the amp energy drinks? The orange one was my favorite. Oh man, I was addicted to that orange amp energy drink. What was your favorite color of the amp energy drinks? Alright, that's all I have. I'm done.